Welcome to our first quick tip guide on installing RainX wiper blades. What you want to first do, obviously put your windshield wiper about 45 degrees, make it easy to install these. We're going to use a RainX glass cleaner first, clean the glass obviously. Do it like so. Next, you want to use your RainX repellent, important after you clean the glass. Take your old wiper blade out. It's going to pull right out. Obviously turn it up sideways like this, upside down rather. Pulls right out. This particular GLK model is going to take this adapter here. This is the P and H model. Not much to it, very simple. All you're going to do is slide this little dowel pin through these holes here, like so. Going to line it up, push it all the way through, snap this down, and you're in business. We have our new wiper blade attachment on, ready to go. Have your arm, always want to keep that steady up here. So you're going to go ahead and put that through the dowel pin that we put there, put it through this little pin sitting here, slide it on, take the little sleeve off here, protect it, and you're ready to go. It's that easy. Okay, we've finished installing the driver's side wiper blade. Now we're going to proceed to do the passenger side. Once again, we're going to duplicate what we did on that side. Bring your wiper arm up. Turn your wiper at about a 45 degree. Just slide it right off, simple as that. Make sure your arm's not going to go anywhere. So again, I break the windshield. I'm going to take the RainX windshield with the P&H adapter for this particular model. Like I said, once again, there's various adapters, so whatever vehicle you have, you can make it work. Slide the pin in there, all the way down. Bring your wiper back about 45 degrees where it's going to make contact with the windshield. I've already taken the protective sleeve off of here like the other one, so you're all set there. Bring it down, and you're ready to use your wipers from RainX.